Right, good morning everyone, welcome back. So what we currently have is that clients' remotes are not functioning from a distance. It's going to stop right there. Okay. So basically if I press it from this distance, we have opened the gate motor, but from this distance the remotes aren't working, and it's all of them. So the client tested that and it's clear that the receiver card is not receiving the signal on the remote. You can see that the light is going on. Gate motor is not doing anything. As soon as we get closer to the gate, there the gate goes. Okay, there's a crunching wheel bearing. We'll have to do that as well. Okay, so it's two things. Let's get it done. Before we get to the replacing of the receiver card, we're just going to quickly look at the steel gate wheels. Now the front one has been in for about 20 years and it's running smoothly, but we're going to open it up because those bearings are dry. Bearing that's filled with grease doesn't give you that harsh sound. Okay, so let's quickly, we've got a plate on the other side that we're going to quickly drill off. Guys, it's 60 bucks a bearing. The gate wheel has got two of them. Your call out is 3 times that. Don't be stupid and just replace one bearing. Right, here we can see the old bearings that came out of the wheel. This is now on the front wheel. Okay, this one's not turning freely. And then obviously we filled them with grease. So if I spin it now, because of the amount of grease, right, cool. Let me quickly open these and just show you that they don't have any grease on the inside of them. Maybe camera shot. Problem with the steel seal is as soon as you bend it to open it, the seal is broken and no amount of trying to fix it will sort it out. See, there you can see it's completely dry. So you can clean them out, fill them with grease. The problem is getting the seal back so that it doesn't allow any grit and stuff to get in. Right, we're here on the rear steel sliding gate wheel, and to describe this noise, we can see it's bobbing or bouncing up and down. Okay, And you just lift up the steel. Alright. Gaan open hom. Yeah. That's uncommon for a wheel to bounce and jump like that. Let's quickly get it out. Right, so the rear steel gate wheel, it's out. You can see that the bearings, those are the inners on the bearings, they've collapsed. There's all of the balls. You've got the outer shells still present in the steel sliding gate wheel. And there you can see, that's why it's bobbing up and down. Those are the grooves that bearings have been chowing into the steel. Old age. So here's the old shaft of the steel gate wheel. We're taking a 12mm steel round bar. We've just worked out off a little bit so that the wheel goes on smoothly. So we're now going to just quickly fit the wheel, and then we'll weld the shaft, cut it down to size and weld it on the steel ends. Alright, let's quickly have a look. There you can see oil covering the hole. Only one, but one is enough. Right, we're done. We've programmed all of the remotes onto a new receiver card. Gate mode installation is fine, and we're just going to quickly test it. There we can see the gates moving. I'm going to stop it. Press it again, it starts closing again. And I'm going to keep on moving. So I just want to stand still. There you can see the gate is moving. Hello, right. Basically see the gate is nearly fully open. And we're going to stop it. We're going to close it. Yeah, another client sorted out. Gate is running smoothly. There's no noise and vibration because of worn out steel gate wheels. You can see my ears running smoothly. Why? That's it, guys. You know what to do. Give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check us out on smartgates.co.za. Thanks for all of the support. Keep watching. We've got some other videos coming up.